Communication is key in life. It's how we connect, share ideas, and build relationships. Good communication makes us happy and successful. At work, clear communication helps us excel. We can share ideas, work in teams, and achieve goals together. Clear communication builds strong bonds with colleagues. In our personal lives, good communication strengthens our relationships. We connect deeply with loved ones through honest and open conversations. Every day, we use communication to navigate the world around us. It's an essential skill for a happy and fulfilling life. Think fast. Talk smart is a powerful concept. It means thinking clearly and quickly to communicate effectively. Quick thinking helps us respond appropriately in various situations. When we think fast, we can handle unexpected questions and engage in meaningful dialogue. Our mind becomes a sharp tool, ready to process information and deliver impactful messages. This skill is invaluable in today's fast-paced world. By mastering quick thinking, we unlock the ability to communicate with impact and make our voices heard. Improving quick thinking takes practice and the right strategies. Active listening is crucial. Pay attention to the speaker's words, tone, and body language. Expand your knowledge base by reading, watching documentaries, and engaging in meaningful conversations. A well-informed mind thinks faster and makes connections easily. Practice mindfulness and meditation to calm your mind and improve focus. A clear mind processes information more efficiently. Challenge yourself regularly with brain games, puzzles, and quizzes. These activities train your brain to think quickly and creatively. Section 4. Talk smart. Communicating with clarity and confidence. Talking smart complements quick thinking. Use simple and concise language to convey your message effectively. Structure your thoughts logically to ensure your message flows smoothly. Use transition words to connect ideas and create a coherent narrative. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and smile genuinely to project confidence and approachability. Practice active listening while others speak. Show genuine interest, ask clarifying questions, and summarize their points to demonstrate understanding. Section 5. Real-world applications. Think fast, talk smart in action. Imagine you're at a job interview. The interviewer asks a challenging question. Thinking fast helps you analyze the question and formulate a strong response. In a team meeting, quick thinking allows you to contribute insightful ideas and solutions on the spot. Your colleagues will appreciate your ability to think on your feet. During a presentation, thinking fast helps you handle unexpected questions from the audience with confidence and clarity. In everyday conversations, thinking fast enables you to respond thoughtfully, avoiding misunderstandings and fostering stronger connections. Section 6. Embrace the journey. Continuous improvement for effective communication. Mastering communication is a journey, not a destination. Embrace continuous learning and practice to enhance your skills. Seek opportunities to engage in conversations, join public speaking groups, and practice active listening in your daily interactions. Record yourself speaking and analyze your tone, pace, and clarity. Identify areas for improvement and work on refining your delivery. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each experience, whether successful or challenging, offers valuable lessons to learn and grow. Remember, effective communication is a powerful tool for personal and professional success. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards of connecting with others in meaningful ways.